The Profile Rebuilder helps you to prepare profiles for use with Archie's Sweep tool. Here, we take a look at how to use it with single profiles. When you first activate the tool, you'll notice handles at each convex corner of the polygon. These handles indicate the positions that can be used by Archie's Sweep tool to set the UV seam location. Importantly, the white circle indicates the current UV seam position, and to change it, you simply need to click on one of the other handles. As you can see, this workflow enables you to easily visualize and hide the location of UV seams prior to sweeping. In some cases, this tool might be either too liberal or too aggressive in the detection of corner points. To solve this, you can adjust the corner detection level attribute. For example, this polygon was created by freezing a closed-loop Bezier, and you can see we have handles at points that by eye would be considered as collinear. By turning down the corner detection sensitivity, we have solved this issue by removing these points from consideration. Next, you can choose to remove the collinear points that lie between the corner handles by checking the Remove Collinear Points attribute in the user interface, as shown here. Lastly, you can choose to add points that will help to maintain the profile's shape when subdivision smoothing is applied after sweeping. For example, if we sweep this profile as is, we know the shape will collapse when smoothing is applied. Of course, we could manually add extra points beforehand, or we could add many bevels or edge weights after sweeping, but what if we could do this quickly, in a precise and portable way? We can do just that, by taking advantage of the Inset Points option. This will add points to the profile that surround each corner at a precise distance. And, these extra points will then create holding edges when the profile is extruded by Archie's Sweep tool, as you can see here. And that's how you work with single profiles, using the Profile Rebuilder tool. Discover more about this tool at thethirdguild.com.